Guys, today we will be playing Fortnite with two of my friends. I'm gonna be trying to get the Rock Johnson once again. I get it.
Yeah, you got a special visitor today, viewers.
And also, I will.
Alright.
I've attempted to try to do this way too many times. Let's try this out. It's honestly getting annoying because I've been to 7 outposts. I've been
Dude,
everywhere.
I already got the 7 sanctuary down.
Yeah, I got to a 7 outpost one time, except for some reason it didn't work. Are you?
It did. Alright. We'll help you today, Chase. You want more assistance? Yeah, you got assistance today.
Alright, so I've already been to the statue and I've already been there. Maybe I just need to
go where are we going next?
Again?
Alright. Just so you know, viewers, I'm rusty, so please don't judge.
Don't make fun of him.
You do realize most of my viewers are my dad, right?
Yeah, fair.
Whoever makes the best roast, I'll give them a skin.
Do not roast me for the love of God.
Hey, guess what?
What?
Yo, mama looking. I'm just kidding.
Okay, I was like, you. When I heard what you started to say, I was like, no.
Wait, can you throw a pizza party? You can throw it on water. It's a boat. It's a boat, Chase.
Get the pizza.
I made a boat. I found a glitch.
Boat. Let's go. Chase, this is your thumbnail.
That's not even a glitch.
Hey Chase, this is how you get subscribers.
Yeah, Chase, this is your thumbnail. This is your thumbnail, boy.
I have to screenshot this.
Mason, he's live.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
I'm back. Sorry, I had to take
man, hard plug his channel. Man, hard plug his channel.
Subscribe and then he will give you 1,000,000 pizzas.
Hey, I never said that.
I don't care.
I ain't giving.
He did say that. Editor, cut that out.
I ain't giving some strangers pizzas.
Yeah,
okay, guys, I'm
gonna
gonna break Dwayne Johnson. I'm gonna make sure nobody's gonna be able to do the challenge of this game.
What do you mean?
Yeah,
I'm gonna get rid of the statue.
Do you have off-road tires?
You can get rid of the statue.
Yes, technically.
Wait, don't do it yet, because I need to see if I.
Yeah, no. That's what this video is about. We're getting rid of Dwayne.
You have a little bit of time though, because Storm's coming.
So then I have enough time. I'm gonna stop recording real quick. Next time you guys see me, I will be at the Dwayne Johnson. Oh my gosh! I just did it. Let's go.
Okay, Chase, start recording.
Oh, I'm already recording, baby.
Okay.
Wait, alright. Wait, I just got the outfit too. I just got the outfit.
Yeah,
it's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour, put on the board.
Yeah, we stay hungry, we devour.
No, they patched it. They patched it. Epic patched it.
No.
Yeah, it was only out for an hour, Daniel.
Did you get to do it though?
No, I wasn't online. I was at my...
Hey guys, look where I am. I'm swinging on Dwayne's nuts.
Yeah, that's your thumbnail.
I was at my sparring class.
That's your thumbnail.
Nah, man.
I was watching
I was at my sparring class, so I couldn't do
stuff on Dwayne Johnson's nuts.
Wait,
I was at my sparring class, so I wasn't able to do the glitch. What? I was about power.
Wait, Chase, are you recording?
Yes.
Chase, you're recording this?
Yes.
Alright, good. Let's go. I don't have splinters.
Dwayne's working right now.
We stay hungry. We don't know.
Guys, I'm gonna jump off. Guys, I'm gonna jump off the way.
What's ours? Put the money on my face. It tickles things. Stop with your mouth.
Yo, winners POV. I'm just saying it now. He'll steal. Sheesh.
Dead.
Oh,
dead.
Let's go. Dead with X for dead.
Let's go.
Sheesh.
That's what I'm trying to see if I put it on.
We'll put it on soon. Madden is waiting for you to upload the video.
No, I want to see if you'll put it on.